Alright, so basically coming in the morning, I have a pretty obvious bullish bias. Um, we have S&T inside the hourly with London lows taken and London lows not taken here. So we're pretty bullish off of that, I'd say. And we just randomly pumped in the middle of the night, which is kind of fucking annoying. But, I mean, yeah, we moved 220 points overnight. I mean, so I'm not expecting for it to be like the best today. We did have news, as you can see, so that's nice. But I mean, we already fucking moved like a daily candle range, so we may see shit be playing out to the downside. I don't know. I'll be setting conditions for myself, that's for sure. But I want it to be like obvious. So basically, no, yeah, like today, I'm only taking the most obvious setup, and I have to hold myself accountable to that. Because when I was watching the trading shit from yesterday, and the fact I even saw something such bullshit, like, I mean, not necessarily, it wasn't that bad. It's bad hindsight, but I didn't take it, so it's fine in the first place. Yeah, I don't know. It was like just like bad trade hindsight is what I was looking at for yesterday. Let's see. We got a minute till market opens. So I'm looking for a retracement into any of these areas and longs out. Realistically, retracement all the way down to here, and then we go higher. As like the lowest I want to see. If we go down here, then I mean, probably made the move for the day, but we could probably catch something long, like a mech off this. And if we're like showing bearish, like within this, we like in for this 5 minute, then I'll look for shorts. Why the fuck is this a 15 minute? Whatever, I guess it is. So we'll see what the fuck we want to do. Market's about to open in 30 seconds, 20 seconds or whatever. So, alright, so market opened. No retracements into anything yet. Yep, just waiting. Probably take out dead eyes on ES and then, I don't know. But yeah, just let price fucking do its thing. That's fucking, Nvidia's going retarded. XRP's looking good. Solana's getting better. What else am I want to look at? I mean, there's really nothing else. Bitcoin looks fucking ridiculous. Yeah, they're doing great. Hardcore, I'm going to go. Alright, next. Alright, so this 5 minute is going to be a condition. So, basically, if we do inverse this shit, I'm taking that bitch short. I can't even lie. So, I'm going to wait. But we have these equal lows in here. We got to for sure take those out before I even think of longing off of this leg, unless we get continuations when we're up here and this is just resting. Also, I should probably open up my we'll do this so we know where we're at. Do I really want to take this though? No, not really. In all honesty, I mean, it's doable, but I mean, say we got our entry like right around here. I mean, we would have to kind of shoot for this or London. I mean, we're already displacing through this shit. I think the 15 minutes obvious break-even point. Ooh, we're getting very low though. I don't think I want to take this. If we do, I'm having a limit order like all the way up here. Check a yes though. 137. Alright, I'm about to have a limit. Oh, never mind. Cancel. We hit the 15 minute. I'm not concerned about this at this point. So we hit the 15 minutes. You may want to see data lows get taken, would probably be good. She ain't fucking me. She ain't go fucking him. I'm living in luxury at Vivian. My beach, rocking up that bandana. So, potential opportunity if we do come into London low, or this hourly internal low, max, instead of looking for a retracement to short, because that retracement higher, we can get along like into the retracement, essentially. And yeah. And if we're truly bearish, then we'll hit my break even and like off of the 5-minute retrace. What do we have here? Oh, wait, hold on. I'd rather see this 5-minute open up. Here, I'm just gonna mark this out. Let's send this 5-minute low chart. Ideally, we have a 5-minute. And that will be my condition for sure. To go lower or higher. What we could see is London low or data lows get taken here. And then we, you know, get them back up into this 5. We'll see. So I'm either looking for a retracement into it to go lower, or we inverse it and go higher, or we go lower before we even touch this thing, get an inversion into it. So that's what we're looking at now. Those are my 3 scenarios I want out of this, and nothing else really. So we should be making this 5-minute. We got a minute left. I'll throw this here. So we got 5 minutes till the 15-minute closes as well. Alright, is this it's a random wall. I'm not really that concerned. Alright, perfect. So we hit that lower hourly. I'm gonna take the data lows off. So we have an SMT there. So we're about to make this 2-minute. Oh yeah, so we got a 3-minute. I mean 2-minute. So yeah, I'm looking for this 2-minute inversion. 161. As long as we don't hit this 5-minute, we'll be fine. We got a minute. I'll rob a bank for you. So we took London low. 30 seconds, bro. This I do want to risk on. But if we get the inversion, of course. I'm getting ready. Okay, we got 2 minutes. Looks like ES is about to make another 5, unfortunately. So let's just make sure. Yeah. 2 minutes the highest time frame. Bro, what the fuck? What the fuck? What the fuck? No, 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 don't do that. Don't do that. Bro. Well, I'm not entering right now. I'm waiting for a retracement. I'm in there. It may not be good, but I think this still should work. I don't see a reason for us to go lower other than the fact that ES rejected this lower 5 minute. So that's where my entry is. Okay, ES took the low. Hopefully we can go higher now. The only thing I don't like is that they rejected that. So hopefully we can just pump now. Probably shouldn't have used as much size as I did, but this just looked like a great setup to me. Like, on NASDAQ, we had no reason to go lower other than ES hitting this 5 minute, but I don't think we should come back to this low on NASDAQ. But if we do, I mean, I'll admit to my mistake for sure. For sure, I'll admit to it. Alright, I think ES should go higher though now. At this point. We did put in an internal SMT, so percent drug weed. So at 10 a.m. we would have to break even at this 15 minute then. If we don't hit this 5 minute by then. I put chains in my chest. Upside down baguettes. I'ma ice my hoe out next. Bottom line, I'm trying to beat that pussy. I'm trying to get that pussy. I want to see us pump, bro. On like both assets, there's really no reason at this point. I mean, we already had the sweep, so I think the market's just confused. What do I do? Fucking, I don't know. Shit's retarded. But fuck the whole 1,000 times. At this point, I'm not even mad about the 5 minute. Because we did get that sweep on ES, so we should be going higher. We have that SMT. But, you know, it's whatever. If we lose, I do think this is a valid setup, though. But we are just generating. I could see us totally fucking taking this low and then going higher at this point. It looks very sus. But we'll see. We'll see. If we can just deliver to the highs, bro. see. Hopefully we can just fucking pump, bro. Yeah, it's looking like we're gonna have to break even at this 15 now. Oh, god damn it. I really hope 10 a.m. opens high. Fucking hell, bro. If we do get this, though, I'll take another trade, honestly, because I'd like this, if we do take this low and stop me out, I like this generation of liquidity. I'll definitely take this. But ideally, I'd want us just to rip up, you know. So, bro, it just like deliver, bro, to the upside. Just deliver. We're generating straight trend line liquidity. Yeah, we're gonna get stopped probably. Damn it, bro. It's fine. But you gonna be nice is just the SMT and we don't get stopped, but we'll probably get stopped. Got a minute till 10 a.m. Damn, bro. That 5 minute, I think, is really what fucked me. Damn, are we about to inverse that hourly? Yeah, stop's about to get hit. Getting very close to it. It'd be insane if we just pump. We inverse the hourly on ES. So we just wait. Alright, so they took the hourly low. I want us to rip up now. I hope we can do that. Yeah, inverse that 1 minute, honestly. Fuck, there we go. We're gonna get stopped. And there's stop. So now I still do want to try longs, but I mean, what on ES does it look like it needs to hit? This low? I mean, I don't even. Well, that puts us back. Honestly, I should probably just get off, but I don't know. I think this could work. Just because of, like, look at the generation liquidity. We got all that shit. We did sweep the low. We still are rejecting an hourly. Maybe I wait for a change of state on the 1 minute and then we'll figure it out from there. But yep, that's our stop. I'll go into the trade in a second, but let's see. Yeah, that was unlucky as fuck. Yeah, still no 2, no 3, no 4, and no 5, so I mean, let's see. Within the range, was that like, if we go from here all the way up, I mean, we hit the equilibrium. I don't think that was necessarily a bad trade. Maybe when ES takes us low, we could get something. If we can wick this low and then create this as the new series of down close candles before that sweeps liquidity. Yeah, so there's that. So at this point, I'm looking for this 1 minute version, but yeah. Alright, so they took that low. I am actually gonna look for this. So we gotta change the state. Just need this inversion. Alright, so I'm in there. So we should just run this, essentially. And hit TP1. Whatever. This one looks great to me. I don't see a reason for us to go any lower now. We should retrace into this 15-minute. Do we have a 5? Are we dead ass right now? Honestly, I have to just let it run, bro. In all honesty. That's fucking so retarded, bro. Whatever. I mean, I have to let it run. Let's let this bitch ride. I mean, we are the leading one, so yes is kind of behind anyways, so. I think that's just such bullshit, though. I'm in for 5 micros. There's just no shot. We continue lower at this point. We need to pump the fuck up, though, and reach that 5-minute. Damn. Just pump, bro. know why we can't just fucking rip. Getting really close to it. Getting really fucking close. Alright, so TP1's hit. Stops at break even. Alright. Now ideally we just deliver. But this definitely cuts my loss in half, so that's nice. But just gotta keep ripping. If we can pump this shit and inverse this 15-minute, that'd be beautiful. Pump this shit. Don't. Prove to us that we are truly bullish, bro. Just rip that bitch up. If not, it's fine. We'll take that small $100. We'll take that $100 loss in the day. And I'll admit to my mistake here. I mean, I don't know. I can't tell if it was a mistake or not. I mean, I think it was a valid setup, this 2-minute inversion. I saw it, essentially everything I needed on NASDAQ, I saw perfectly. Only thing that kind of fucked us was this 5-minute that we like made, and but you know, it's whatever. But I'd love for us to obviously hit full take profit, so I mean, we'll end the day green if we hit TP. I mean, I could close now and end the day green, but I don't wanna. I have a conviction that we should go higher. So imagine we can pump in this last 20 seconds and inverse this shit. That would be beautiful. Inverse this bitch, please. We're not going to. It's chill, but we should, I think, continue higher through all this shit. Is this all-time high? Yeah. Let's mark it as all-time highs. Let's mark it as all-time highs. But while this runs, actually, I could just honestly go over what the fuck I saw for the last trade. So these both were. This was like a. They're both mech model essentially. This was also a PDI, because we see this accumulation and manipulation, and we're distributing right now. Um, so basically though, on the first one, it was a Mac model. Um, we had an unfilled 5-minute right here. We had an unfilled 5-minute. We took out London Low. We had a SMT with this hourly gap down here. And yeah, 2-minute inversion into it. So then I entered when we retraced, stop at the low because we had the SMT, and break even at the 5-minute, and then TP at all-time highs. But yeah, so that's why I took it. The only thing that really fucked us was that ES made a more discounted 5-minute, and that kind of yeah, screwed us over. So you know, it's whatever. But I mean, we cut the loss so far in half. If we can hit this take profit too, then we doubled the day. So yeah, we'll see what we can do here. Ideally, we just rip though. I mean, ES hasn't even really moved yet. The 15 minutes are right here. We're well past it. I like that we're leading though. That's why I like. Just ES is looking stupid right now. No way we break even this shit though. That'd be insane. Looks like we will. Who knows? We'll let this bitch ride though. And again, cuts my loss in half, so I'll be happy about that. Or I am happy about that. But yeah. See. Yeah, this looks like yesterday. We hit the fucking 5 minutes and then we'll just fucking take it, boom, and then we'll go to the take profit point. But I've taken 2 trades now. I'm not looking for shit. And if we go lower, I don't think I don't know why we would go lower, but you know. Hoping for a big ripper to the upside. Yeah, I don't really have. Oh, it's still there. Fuck, it's just so fucking small that you can't even see it, bro. But I'm hoping we don't need a fucking 5-minute retrace to continue this, because that would not be my favorite thing to see at the moment. So yeah, dude. I want us to just pump the fuck up. Yeah, let's just inverse this gap. That'd be nice. ES is looking better. Alright, cool. We inverse that. Hopefully that can just get us to our final destination. As in all-time highs, not my break even. Alright, so that's that 5-minute hit. Hopefully that can just deliver us. I really don't want to see us go lower. Flip bullish. Flip bullish, please. Yep. Valid. We'll see. I don't know. But I think off of that single candle itself, hitting the 5 minute and then flipping bullish, I don't think we should break even. I think we actually should run to the high, honestly. I'm not even gonna lie. But again, we'll let the market do its fucking thing. That just looked super fucking clean. Just like hit that shit and then flip fucking bullish, bro. So we'll see still. Again, hopefully we can just rip. And drag this over. Would this then be a breaker, like a low, a high, lower low, and then a higher high if we can create a bullish candle through here? This wouldn't this be a breaker? I don't know. I wouldn't create that higher high though. Next candle, maybe. Hopefully. Bruh. Bro. Dude, chill out. Go higher. Again, like I said though, if I do break even, I'm not even gonna be mad. Could have ended the day worse, so. Could you imagine this fucking candle flips bullish though? That would be ridiculous. That'd be fucking awesome. But imagine, bro. Could you fucking imagine that bitch flips bullish? Nah. Whatever. Let's see, so my boy passed his account today. Good. It's his first ever funded he passed. I hope he can get a payout on that thing. I'm proud of him, honestly. He learned like really fast. Not for me, but TTR Bootcamp's what did it. That's actually cool. Never like actually known anyone that, because I don't really know traders like that at all. But I mean, obviously there are people that fucking do their shit from that, but I haven't personally known one. So that's fucking awesome. Pump. It's a damn 15-minute, bro. Alright, so we're getting really close to break evening. Obviously praying to fucking, there we go. Somehow I got broke even. I guess MNQ decides to fucking hit it, dude. Why the fuck did they not hit it? That's so gay. If this plays out, Alex should be pissed. I want us to hit this break even now then. So we ended the day negative 150 each, or 105 each. So. Yeah, alright, well, I'll go into this trade now. Basically, after we took the L or whatever, I mean, or while I was taking the L, dude, I swear to God, if this shit rips. I wish I can't answer, but, oh my fucking God, dude. Whatever, we're gonna fucking, the fact that it didn't break even me on my chart pisses me off, because of how it's, like, different, but, I don't know. Fuck, dude, that's fucking annoying. That actually, like, hurts. That genuinely hurts. No, yeah, it did come down on, oh my fucking God. This just looks, I mean, we're, bro, there's definitely a 30-second within here that we just inversed or are inversing. Whatever, okay, we gotta fucking get off of that point. It's already happened, we can't do anything about it. Just dump the fucking market, that's all I gotta say. But basically, yeah, so, boom, still S&P with this hourly. I know ES did inverse this hourly, but we had this 15-minute right here, this 15-minute internal low. I was like, alright, well, basically, if we can sweep that and then get an entry, then I'll take it. That's exactly what happened. We had this unfilled 15-minute, generated low resistance liquidity. This was more A plus than the one I took before. The other one was definitely A rated, maybe, yeah, I think it's A rated. Just the fact that this had better targets, I would say, of low resistance liquidity. So that's what I like the most about this trade, is that we had that LRL. It made me feel more safe within being in the trade, instead of hoping for like a 5-minute retracement, I guess. And maybe I could use that as, no, because there are times where, whatever. But, I mean, yeah, so we took out this internal low, which was my previous stop loss. We had this 1-minute inversion. We still had the S&T inside the hourly. Unfilled 15-minute, low resistance liquidity, and then just like a clear buy side target at the highs. And yeah, so this is gonna fucking work too. Generated liquidity. I'd love to see ES though just dump and make us dump. I don't know, but yeah.